I'm Australian. But I've got ears like a bunny, haven't I? Do you like my ears? And I've got whiskers like a bunny. So, today I've got the job of collecting lots and lots of Easter eggs for your Easter hunt. Woohoo! So I'm going to need a bit of help from some of my friends. So, I'm looking for my friends now.
Hello.
Oh.
How are you? Who are you?
I'm the Easter Bilby and I'm collecting eggs today. Who are you?
Eggs, eggs, eggs. Oh, I love eggs. I'm possum, but I love eggs. My favourite food. Can I eat them?
Uh-oh. No, we're collecting eggs for children. Because it's Easter and that's when children get lots of Easter eggs.
Oh, and no eggs for me. I don't like that. I want eggs too.
I think you're going to be trouble. Can you please go home?
Oh.
Goodbye, Possum. I need some better friends than Possum. He's just going to eat them all. I know it. So, I'll see if there's any friends over here by the water. I wonder who lives here in this pond. Oh. Hello, I'm the Easter Bilby.
Oh, we are fish. And why are you here?
Well, I'm looking for some help. I've got to help the Easter Bunny collect a lot of eggs for the children's Easter egg hunt. You don't know if you can help me.
Eggs, eggs. Oh, we love eggs. We lay lots of them. We have heaps of eggs. We lay them in the weeds down there.
What's the chance of getting some and coming and putting them in my Easter box?
Oh, a minute.
Okay. Oh, this is looking good, isn't it? Here's the Easter box right here.
Oh yes, we will. We will bring you some eggs. Just a minute. We're going to dive down. Bye.
Okay. Let's hope they can find some nice eggs for us. I've already got quite a lot of eggs. But more is better because there's a lot of children out there and I think they've all got empty tummies.
We've got eggs.
Where
do you want me to put
In the box, please. In the box. Thank you. Whoa, whoa. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, fish. I wonder. They only have little eggs, those fish. I wonder if anyone around here has big eggs. Who likes big eggs? You do. Oh. Well, hello there.
Hello. Are you a Bilby?
I'd like to introduce myself properly. I'm the Easter Bilby and my job is to collect lots of eggs for the children at the Easter hunt. Have you got any eggs to spare?
Oh no, an Easter Bilby. I can't eat an Easter Bilby. That would be very bad. What do you need those eggs for?
Well, I'm collecting eggs in this box here, you see, for the children. I'll be giving them to Madeleine and she's going to spread them out so all the children can enjoy them.
Children? Did you say children?
Well, yes.
Where are they?
Oh, they're just sitting down watching, actually.
Oh,
They've been very good.
juicy children. Oh, yummy, juicy children. Oh, yum, yum.
Just, how about you just go and get some eggs for a while?
an egg for juicy children. I will get an egg and then I want some children will come and then I will be around.
Just don't listen to him, anybody.
I will go and get them. Yum, yum, yum.
Just get the eggs. Bring it over. Give it the box. Here's the box. Thank you very much. Oh, that's oh, we're doing well now, children. Okay, I think I've had enough of this for a while. I might go and have a little lie down near the pond. I'll just go over here. Oh, and lie down. Oh.
So, did I hear that there is lots of very young eggs there? I'm going to eat them. I'm going to steal them. Shh, don't tell anyone.
Nasty possum.
Hey!
Possum. Pesky possum.
Oh,
Pesky
what's
possum.
going on out there, folks? What happened? I'll just check the eggs. Oh, there's one missing. A big one, too. How did that happen? Did anybody see what happened? Was there a possum by any chance? Was it a possum? Well, everybody, I need your help. I'm going to go and see if I can find the possum. But if you find the possum, you've got to shout possum really loud. How loud can you shout it? Good. I've got big ears, but I'm very deaf. Can you shout a bit louder? Fantastic. That's good. And can you point if you see the possum? Shout and point. I'll go this way and see if I can find it.
What was all that noise?
Oh, hello. Hello.
It woke me up.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sleeping.
Sorry, Koala. I'm sorry too. But I'm Bilby.
Oh, hi, Bilby.
I'm especially here to be the Easter Bilby and collect a lot of eggs for Madeleine to spread around for the Easter hunt.
Oh,
So, have you got any eggs?
no. I don't have any eggs. I don't lay eggs. I'm a marsupial.
Oh,
and
silly
I
me.
do not lay eggs. I can't help you. I'm going back to sleep. Bye.
Dear, oh dear. I wonder who else can help me with eggs. What other animals have eggs? Does anybody know any? What kind is that, Todd?
Sound like a cockatoo.
Thank you. Thank you. No, I'm sorry. I'm the Easter Bilby. I'm busy today collecting eggs for the children. They're Easter eggs.
We lay eggs in our nests.
Galah and Paris, have you got any eggs you could offer the children? Could you find me some eggs, please?
Yes.
Oh, goody.
Okay, we'll fly to our nest and get some.
Oh, goody.
Soon. Then you want us to leave them.
Just bring them here to the box in the front here. I'm collecting a lot and I've got some more out the back too.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Oh. I'm very hungry myself. All this talk about eggs. I think I'll go and find something to eat, but only if you can look after the Easter eggs. Can all the children keep an eye out for the Easter eggs, please? Can you? Thank you. Bye-bye. I won't be long. Bye. Oh, my eggs. Oh dear, what will Madeleine say? She'll be angry. And you children will be disappointed. Who else could help me with this? Who would be very I need a friend right now. I'm having a bad day. I'm trying to collect Easter eggs for all the lovely children here today, and there's this naughty possum who keeps stealing them when I'm not looking.
Oh, you said eggs? I have lots and lots of eggs. I lay 100 eggs every day.
Oh, now you're talking. How about you hand some over?
Oh, okay. Well, if you just wait, I'll put them in a bag for you because it will be too much to carry.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll just wait here by the box in case you know who comes back.
Okay, got the eggs.
Oh, that's fantastic. Woohoo!
Lots of these eggs now. Do you want me to help to catch that pesky possum?
Yes, let's go and hide and see if Possum comes back.
Okay, well, if you hide on that side, then I'll go on this side and we'll see if Possum is coming.
The children will help us if he comes.
Okay.
I'm hiding here.
Where is the possum? Where?
Oh no.
Oh, we missed it. We'll try
I'll
again.
go back. I'm back in hiding. Nobody can see
I'll go
me
and
here,
sit
can they?
down here. We are just going to creep up on you. We will be so busy eating chocolate eggs that we can get them, okay?
Okay, I'll just hide here. I'm
Okay.
hiding quietly here.
Okay.
Children can see me, but you won't be able to. Thank you everybody for cheering and helping get rid of the nasty possum today. And thank you to all my friends who came to help give some eggs to the cause. I've got a big basket for you, Madeleine, when you're ready. And all the children can come and go on their Easter hunt. So just wait here until she comes and says she's all ready for you. So thank you everybody.